with severe dental problems. This woman found herself locked in a silent struggle. Bruxism, an unseen force, was eroding her smile, casting a shadow on her confidence. But every battle has its heroes. For her, that hero was Serena Family and Cosmetic Dentistry, a beacon of hope in San Diego Clairemont. They held the key to her transformation. Dr. Kurt started with an assessment, an intricate analysis of the damage caused by bruxism, so the gentle reshaping can come later, crafting the foundation for a crown that would restore and protect. Once it's finished, the impression comes in, a meticulous mold, capturing every contour. The next step are the temporary crowns, a prototype of what her dental ceramics will resemble. Finally, the placement was triumphant as the permanent crown took its rightful place, restoring her smile's radiance. Yet the journey didn't end there. This story also embraced dental veneers. A personalized consultation sculpts a vision of renewal. Then subtle tooth preparation, making space for the beauty to come. A precise impression, capturing the essence of transformation. The skilled hands of Dr. Kurt crafting veneers that would be her shield. And the final step, bonding, the moment her smile regained its brilliance, shining brighter than ever. She emerged from the depths of a bruxism-stricken past, her smile now a testament to the artistry and care of Serena Family and Cosmetic Dentistry. Are you ready to script your tale of transformation? Serena Family and Cosmetic Dentistry are waiting for you. Book your appointment now.